Say adios, au revoir, ciao, see ya to your wrinkles in 5 steps. Today, we're going to cover 5 easy, natural steps that you can use to get rid of your wrinkles. Are you struggling to get rid of your wrinkles? And those expensive creams and lotions promising to eliminate all of your wrinkles, but do you feel like they're just empty promises? The key to diminishing and preventing future wrinkles is right in your home and your day-to-day lifestyle. Consuming high-quality proteins, vegetables, and getting adequate sleep can all contribute to decreasing your wrinkles and preventing future ones. Number 1, the next time you take a trip to the grocery store, make sure to stock up in the produce department. It's crucial to consume at least the minimum daily serving requirements of fruits and vegetables to maintain adequate health and diminish the appearance of wrinkles. Limit the consumption of fruits heavy in fructose or fruit sugar, since fructose, as with all sugars, can increase the appearance of wrinkles. My suggestion is stick with fruits such as strawberries, blueberries, cranberries, lemons, and bananas. Those would be your main staples, and other fruits you could have every once in a while. Number 2, toss out the refined sugar and replace artificial sweeteners with organic, natural sweeteners such as agave, raw local honey, stevia, and my favorite, monk fruit. Excessive sugar consumption can damage your liver and cause breaks in your DNA, leading to potential autoimmune disorders. Consume any sugar, including fruit sugar, in moderation. Training your body to break the habits of sugar overloads is key to being an overall healthier you and saying goodbye to those wrinkles. Number 3, get outside and into the sun. Moderate sunshine provides your body with necessary vitamin D to replenish the vitamins and elasticity in your skin. Aim for at least 15 minutes a day of moderate exposure, but be sure that you put on your sunscreen with SPF. Reapply and take all other precautions if you're planning any prolonged periods of sun exposure. If you're finding value in this content, please click the like button and the subscribe button and leave a comment. Number 4, commit to a lifelong relationship with coconut. Replacing vegetable or canola oil with coconut oil and olive oil is a simple way to slow your skin's aging. Also, add a tablespoon of coconut oil to your morning smoothie, or indulge in some coconut crisp, or replace standard dairy milk with coconut milk, or rub refined coconut on your problem spots on your skin. You could just eat some raw coconut. For some additional beauty tips, please be sure to look in the description down below. I have added a link for a free guide to 5 beauty mask recipes for a clarifying glow. Number 5, relax. Stress is one of the primary contributors to premature aging because it reduces the natural collagen and elasticity in your skin, which is essential to preventing wrinkles. Start every morning off right with a few minutes of meditation, read a good book, go for a walk, or relax by the beach after a long day at work. Remember to take a little time out of the day for yourself. A stress-free lifestyle is one that reaps astounding rewards. These 5 simple steps are a great start to a healthier, younger, wrinkle-free appearance. Make small changes to your time and energy, and then see how that healthy, natural glow blossoms. I hope this information has been helpful for you, and I can't wait to see your comments about how wonderful your healthy, glowing skin is. Have a blessed day.